exciting session. And in this session, what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn a new letter. Okay? But before we start the class, what we always do? Welcome song. Let's welcome you all with a welcome song. Let's do the song. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. How are you today? Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hip 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 hooray. Yes, clap for yourself. Very nice. Let's start the class. Okay? Now, what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn letter H. Which letter is this? This is H letter. Okay? First we will do the sound of letter H. Okay. Then, who want to do the rhymes? Who want to do the rhymes? Everyone, show me your thumb. Yes, very nice. Let's do the rhymes, okay? I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. Yes, this is the rhymes of letter H. So did you enjoy? Yes? Very nice. Now, what will be your reaction when you run and come back? Like this way? So, keep this hand on your chest and do like this. This is the sound of letter H. Okay? Now, do you want to trace the letter? Do you want to trace the letter? Let's trace. So take out your magic pencil. Take out. Very nice. Now, a standing line. Come down. Again, standing line. Come down. And one sleeping line makes letter H. Okay, this is capital H. Which letter? Capital H. And the sound of H is okay. Now, how we will write small h? Let's see. Standing line, come down. Then go up, make a curve, 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 come down, make a tail. This is small h. Okay? So, in this session, what you have learned? Rhymes of H, the sound of H, and you recognize the letter H. Yes? So, are you able to do this all? Yes, na? No. Who want to do the skywriting? Who want to do? Show me your pointer finger. Let's start. Standing line, come down. Standing line, come down. One slipping line. And small h. Standing line, come down. And go up, make a curve, 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 curve. Come down, come down, come down. Make a tail. This is small h. Okay? Now, who want to do on palm? Everyone? Yes. Standing line, come down. Standing line, come down. One small line. Slipping line. Okay? Again, this is capital H. And how we will write? Small h. Standing line, come down. Go up, make a curve. Come down, and small tail. This is small h. So did you enjoy this? Yes? Very nice. If you H is for happy. Make your face happy. Yes, happy. It's for house. H is for heart. Come on, everyone, make the heart. Yes, H is for heart. And H is for horse. Come on, do like this. H is for horse. H is for hat. H is for hat. Magical hat. Now H is for hand. What is this? Hand. H is for hand. Okay, and there are many more.